Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix we can't accept online orders right now error on Wix Studio. So if you're getting the we can't accept online orders right now error on your Wix Studio site, here's a quick and easy step-by-step guide to fix it and get your online store running smoothly again. So first, make sure that your payment methods are properly set up. Go to your Wix dashboard, click accept payments button at the left of the screen and confirm that you have a connected payment providers like Wix Payments, PayPal or Stripe. If not, connect a payment method provider and complete the setup. Now, if you're using Wix Payments, go to Wix Payments section, make sure that your account is verified. You may need to submit business or identity documents, and if verification is pending, you won't be able to accept orders. Next, ensure that your store is fully set up. In your dashboard, click Store Products and Settings and navigate to General. Now, make sure that your store is live and not set to pause or maintenance mode. Click your shipping and tax settings too, because missing setup steps can block orders. Now, sometimes the error is related to products themselves. Go to Store Products, make sure that each product you are selling is in stock, set to visible and has a price entered. Double check that the products are available in your region you ship to, and finally, run a test checkout. Use your site's preview mode and try adding a product to cart and proceed to checkout. If you still see the error, Wix may be blocking orders due to an unresolved settings. So review all the setup steps again or contact Wix support. And that's it. By checking your payment settings, store setup and product details, you can easily fix the we cannot accept online orders error on Wix Studio. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.